Welcome to Technology Review. Today, we dive deep into the highly anticipated Garmin Fenix 8 Pro, a smartwatch that's set to redefine premium sports wearables. Whether you're an adventurer, fitness enthusiast, or tech lover, this device promises features that could outshine its competition. Let's explore everything about the Fenix 8 Pro, from its next-gen technology to its rumored release date. Revolutionizing display technology. Garmin has consistently delivered impressive screens, but the Fenix 8 Pro could usher in a new era with its rumored micro-LED display. This cutting-edge technology stands out for its brightness, sharpness, and energy efficiency, marking a leap from traditional OLED and LCD panels. Why micro-LED is a big deal. Unparalleled brightness, perfect for navigating under glaring sunlight or in dim forests. Enhanced durability, scratch-resistant, impact-resistant, ideal for rugged environments. Power efficiency, expect longer battery life, making it a top choice for adventurers. This display ensures crystal-clear visuals, whether you're charting a course through mountain trails or simply checking your notifications. It's built tough to handle the most extreme conditions while remaining visually stunning. Enhanced battery life, a marathon runner's dream. If you thought Garmin's previous models set the standard, the Fenix 8 Pro is here to push boundaries. Current models already boast an impressive 48 days on a single charge in certain modes. Micro-LED technology could extend this even further. Imagine embarking on week-long hikes or ultramarathons without needing to recharge. Whether you're off-grid or just looking to reduce frequent charging, this feature alone makes the Fenix 8 Pro a compelling buy. Advanced health and fitness monitoring. Garmin has always been a leader in health tracking, and the Fenix 8 Pro is rumored to take this to another level with its Elevate Gen 6 heart rate sensor. Standout health features. Continuous ECG monitoring. Monitor heart health in real time. Lactate threshold analysis. Optimize oxygen usage for peak performance. Heart rate variability, HRV, gain insights into recovery and well-being. Sleep tracking. Tailor habits for maximum rest and recovery. Whether you're a professional athlete or someone aiming for a healthier lifestyle, these tools are designed to provide precise, actionable data. A refined yet rugged design. Durability meets elegance in the Fenix 8 Pro. While previous models set a benchmark for rugged designs, this iteration is rumored to come in 47mm and 51mm sizes, making it versatile enough for any wrist size. Style meets functionality. Sleeker profile without compromising strength. Perfect for transitioning from outdoor adventures to business meetings. Improved features like a brighter flashlight and enhanced microphone for real-world utility. Whether scaling a mountain or attending a formal event, the Fenix 8 Pro promises to blend seamlessly into every aspect of your life. Satellite connectivity for the adventurous spirit. One of the most exciting rumors is the potential for satellite connectivity. This feature could redefine smartwatch functionality, especially for adventurers venturing off the grid. Imagine sending messages or making calls without cellular service. This is a game-changer for ultramarathon runners, hikers, and explorers who often find themselves in remote locations. Garmin's commitment to empowering users to explore confidently shines through with this innovation. A legacy of innovation. To appreciate the Fenix 8 Pro, it's worth revisiting Garmin's evolution. Fenix 5, rugged design tailored for outdoor enthusiasts. Fenix 6, introduced solar charging and expanded storage. Fenix 7, enhanced mapping and multiband GNSS support. Fenix 8, focused on extended battery life and performance. Building on these milestones, the Fenix 8 Pro integrates micro-LED displays, advanced health tools, and potential satellite connectivity, solidifying its status as a leader in wearable technology. Athlete-focused training tools. For serious athletes, the Fenix 8 Pro offers tools designed to enhance performance. From running metrics to cycling power analysis, it's tailored to meet the demands of competitive sports. Garmin's focus on precision ensures you'll have the data you need to optimize your training and achieve your goals. Release date and final thoughts. Garmin typically follows an 18 to 24-month refresh cycle for its Fenix series, but leaks suggest the Fenix 8 Pro could launch as early as next month. If true, This is shaping up to be one of the most exciting smartwatch releases of 2024. With innovations like micro-LED technology, advanced health monitoring, and satellite connectivity, the Fenix 8 Pro isn't just a smartwatch. It's a complete solution for adventurers, athletes, and tech enthusiasts. Join the conversation. At Technology Review, we're thrilled to see how the Fenix 8 Pro redefines what's possible in wearable tech. What feature excites you the most? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more in-depth tech coverage.